Hello and welcome back to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, 𝗦𝗧𝗔𝗬 with Lakeside Process Controls. Today's episode, we're continuing our discussion around Rosemount's magnetic flow meter technologies. And in particular, we're going to walk through a heuristic we've created to help you identify what's the most optimal solution for your pulp and paper applications. So in this example, we're going to talk through a 4.5% pulp stock containing chemicals, long fibers, flow rates in between 1 to 3 meters per second. There's sap in the line and definitely some small solids. So we created this heuristic, which you can find online, but the idea is we go from an application's stock consistency to a perceived consistency based on these variables, and it'll help us determine, utilizing a chart, which solution is most appropriate. So we walk through each one of these categories. We start with 4.5% stock consistency. We're adding 1% because there are chemicals. We're adding 1% because there is a long fibers. Not adding anything because it's in kind of the middle range for flow rate velocities. It's sticky, there's sap, so we're going to add 1% for that, but then there are only small solids, so we're not going to add any more percents there. So overall, our perceived stock consistency is 7.5%. Now, what does that mean? Well, we can use this table here to determine what's the most appropriate solution from our experience. In this case, you'll see that we're actually between the second and the third option. So it might be a good idea to pick our standard transmitter and flow tube and start off with a high frequency. But of course, if we utilize our slurry platform directly from day one here, we do have flexibility for low or high frequency. That might be the most appropriate solution as we're kind of just entering that territory here, but most likely you can get away with our standard option. So this is a great heuristic that we have. Go ahead and try it for yourself in your applications and see what it recommends. Should you have any questions about Rosemount's magnetic flow meters or any other of our technologies, please reach out using the QR code to my left. Thanks and have a great day.